Welcome, wanderers. Today we're embarking on a mesmerizing journey through the enchanting landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultures of Europe. Get ready to be transported to a realm where every cobblestone tells a story, and each cityscape whispers tales of bygone eras. So buckle up and join me on this visual odyssey as we unravel the magic that is Europe. As we traverse the old continent, prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking architecture of ancient castles. Lose yourself in the hustle and bustle of lively markets, and indulge your taste buds in a symphony of flavors from diverse cuisines. From the romantic allure of Paris to the historical treasures of Rome, our adventure knows no bounds. So grab your virtual passport, let the anticipation build, and let the adventure unfold in this travel to Europe extravaganza. Now we show you some of best things to do and beautiful places in Europe. Before the starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Paris. Bienvenue. A Paris, the city of lights. Our adventure through this romantic metropolis is a whirlwind of culture, art, and timeless elegance. Begin your day with a stroll along the Seine River, where iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame Cathedral paint a picturesque backdrop. Indulge in a cultural feast at the Louvre, where the Mona Lisa and countless masterpieces await your gaze. Meander through the charming streets of Montmartre, where bohemian spirit and artistic flair converge. And of course, savor the delectable pastries in a quaint cafe, because what's a trip to Paris without a taste of its culinary delights? Don't forget to ascend the Eiffel Tower at dusk, watching as the city transforms into a glittering tapestry of lights. From the grandeur of the Champs-Élysées to the hidden gems of Le Marais, Paris beckons you to fall in love with its enchanting charm. Ready for a rendezvous with the magic of the city of love? Number 2. Rome. Roma. Our tour to this enduring city is a blend of modern appeal and historical wonders. Enter the Colosseum to start your day, where the ghosts of fallen gladiators tell heroic tales. Admire the Pantheon's exquisite design, which represents Rome's architectural prowess. Enjoy a leisurely stroll around the Roman Forum, where the remnants of a once powerful empire narrate its story. Visit Vatican City, the site of Michelangelo's breathtaking Sistine Chapel, and St. Peter's Basilica for a spiritual experience. Head to the Spanish Steps as the sun sets to take in Piazza di Spagna's atmosphere. Not to mention the delicious food, savor gelato, pizza, and pasta in Trastevere, a little neighborhood that exudes authenticity. Whether you're throwing a coin into the Trevi Fountain or making a wish at the mouth of truth, every corner of Rome invites you to embrace its rich history and la dolce vita. Ready to immerse yourself in the eternal beauty of the Italian capital? Number 3. Barcelona. Founded by the Romans, Barcelona is a vibrant Mediterranean metropolis today. Being Catalonia's capital, it is a dominant force in the area. It is most renowned, presumably, for the peculiar structures that architect Antoni Gaudí created. La Sagrada Familia, a church that has been under construction since 1892, is one of these iconic buildings. If you planned your entire trip around his buildings, you would be missing out on other wonderful things Barcelona has to offer, like the well-known pedestrian boulevard La Rambla in the city's center. Number 4. Istanbul. Istanbul, where east meets west, beckons us with its rich history and vibrant energy. Begin your journey at the iconic Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece that has witnessed centuries of change. Marvel at the grandeur of the Blue Mosque, where intricate tiles and towering minarets create a serene atmosphere. Take a leisurely stroll through the historic district of Sultanahmet, where the Topkapi Palace reveals the opulence of the Ottoman Empire. Don't forget to explore the bustling Grand Bazaar, a labyrinth of treasures and Turkish delights. Cruise along the Bosphorus, where the continents of Europe and Asia share a gentle embrace. Enjoy the panoramic views from the Galata Tower, and savor the diverse flavors of Turkish cuisine in the lively streets of Beyoğlu. And as the sun sets, unwind in a traditional Turkish hammam or sip Turkish tea while admiring the city's skyline. Istanbul, with its blend of ancient charm and modern allure, promises an unforgettable voyage through time. Hazır mısın? Are you ready? Number 5. London. Greetings from the vibrant and diverse city of London. Our journey starts among the famous sights and varied neighborhoods that give this city its unique character. Take a stroll down the Thames to begin your day, passing by the imposing Tower Bridge and the storied Tower of London. Explore the world of history at the British Museum, home to artifacts from all over the world. Stroll around Covent Garden's quaint streets, where artisan stores and street performers lend a whimsical touch. Discover the majestic splendor of Buckingham Palace and take in the ritual of the changing of the guards. Visit Shoreditch, a neighborhood in London renowned for its hip cafes and street art, to get a sense of the city's modern mood. Spend a moment unwinding at Kensington Gardens or Hyde Park's tranquil beauty. Of course, a visit to London would not be complete without taking in the dramatic splendor of the West End or indulging in traditional fish and chips in a quaint tavern. London promises an experience unlike any other, thanks to its unique blend of heritage and modernity. All set to travel via this busy capital of Britain? Number 6. Moscow, the vibrant heart of Russia. Our exploration of this iconic city, Moscow, is a blend of historical grandeur and modern marvels. Start your day with a visit to Red Square, where the Kremlin and St. Basil's Cathedral create a stunning backdrop. Marvel at the treasures within the Kremlin walls, from the opulent armory to the serene cathedral square. Take a leisurely stroll through Gorky Park, where greenery meets urban vibes, and perhaps enjoy a boat ride along the Moscow River. For a taste of local life, explore the bustling Arbat Street, known for its charming shops and street performers. Ascend to the heights of Sparrow Hills for panoramic views of the city, including the iconic Moscow State University. Dive into Russian art at the Tretyakov Gallery, or be transported to space at the Cosmonautics Museum. And as the day turns to night, witness the enchanting lights of Moscow illuminating landmarks like the Christ the Savior Cathedral. Embrace the city's rich cultural tapestry through traditional Russian cuisine in a cozy restaurant, or by experiencing the vibrant nightlife. Moscow, where history meets contemporary flair, invites you to embark on a captivating journey. Number 7. Vienna. The most enchanted city in Austria is Vienna. It's a city that makes one think of elegantly attired ladies dancing to Strauss waltzes. In this city, stunning white lipizaners precisely dance around a ring. You can forget about your diet here and indulge in some chocolatey sacerdote. Remember to take in a concert by the renowned Vienna Boys Choir, stroll around the charming old town, and pay a visit to the magnificent Schönbrunn Palace, the medieval St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Imperial Holberg Palace, and more. Number 8. Madrid. Madrid, the capital of Spain since 1561, has been the lifeblood of this nation in southern Europe for nearly 500 years, longer than most other nations have existed. It is comparable to other global capitals in many respects, because it is the largest city in Spain, home to the majority of the nation's population, and the hub of international trade. On the other hand, you might be able to make out the seductive notes of a Spanish guitar, the snap of a flamenco dancer's castanet, and the swish of a bullfighter's crimson cloak if you pay close attention. Madrid is a destination for tourists interested in world-famous paintings and breathtaking architecture, but it's also, possibly even more so, for people seeking emotion translated into art and a vibrant, intense taste of life. Number 9. Berlin. Germany's capital city, Berlin, has seen almost 3 decades of development, from museums and monuments to a flourishing eating and nightlife scene. The Berlin Wall Memorial, the Brandenburg Gate, the Topography of Terror, and the Memorial to the Murdered Jews of Europe are must-see locations for history buffs. Meanwhile, art lovers will probably enjoy watching films or shows at the city's numerous theaters and visiting Museum Island, a collection of 5 distinct museums that is classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. May through September is the greatest season to visit Berlin because of the pleasant weather, which is perfect for leisurely city strolls, park relaxation, and cafe hopping. While it may be chilly in the winter, visitors are kept entertained by the city's thriving nightlife and cultural scene. Wintertime temperatures often range from 20 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. On the other hand, this may be the ideal time for travelers on a tight budget to find discounts on accommodation and flights. Number 10. Budapest. Greetings from Budapest. In other words, if you haven't been here yet, you should schedule a visit. Many people find the city appealing since they can enter a nightclub directly after leaving a thermal bath and return to the bath afterwards. History lovers can choose from Roman, Neo-Gothic, Renaissance, and Ottoman architecture at locations like Buda Castle and Fisherman's Bastion in this old Stone Age metropolis. Budapest serves as Hungary's business and cultural hub, in addition to being the country's political capital. The Pearl of the Danube is brimming with culture, from its diverse dining scene to its deep-rooted Jewish history. Budapest, which is divided by the Danube River and consists of the three main districts of Pest, Buda, and Obuda, blends contemporary amenities with historic buildings and verdant parks. Budapest has a plethora of options for you to choose from when it comes to food, shopping, and museums. Additionally, the rates are reasonable enough for you to enjoy them all without having to make a decision.